Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is x square and its square root divided by x is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. Here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, we move the term x from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get square root of x square is equals to 4 times of x. And now here, in order to get all the roots of this equation, for this we need to remove this square root sign. So when we remove the square root sign, we will apply squaring on both of the sides. So it will becomes here x square square root and its whole square is equals to, this is 4 multiplied by x and its whole square. So in the left hand side, you see here this 2 and square root are gone, and we get x square is equals to, in the right hand side we break this exponent 2 and we write it separately on both of these two values, and we get 4 square into x square. Further we have, this is x square is equals to 4 square becomes 16 times of x square. And now in the next step, we move the term x square from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get 16 times of x square minus x square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step, we have 16. Here we need to take common x square from both of these two terms, and we get the remaining values are x square times, this is 16 minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here we have, this is x square times 16 minus 1 becomes 15, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now for the values of x, we need to remove this 16 from here, and for this we divide both of the sides by 15. So when we divide each of these terms on both the sides by 15, this will be written as x square times 15 divided by 15 is equals to 0 divided by 15. This 15 and this 15 are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are x square is equals to 0 divided by 15 is equals to 0. And now here for the values of x, we need to remove this square root sign. So for this we will take square root on both of the sides. So further you see here, this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here x is equals to, this is square root of 0. We know that square root of 0 becomes here 0. So in the first method we get only one value of x, and that is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is, x square and its square root divided by x is equals to 4. This is the given question statement, and here in the left hand side we substitute the above value of x and we check its behavior. When we put this value here, it will become square root of 0 square divided by 0 is equals to 4. And this case implies that 0 square becomes 0, and the square root of 0 is also becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 4. So you see that the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or in other words we call that it is undefined form. This means that the left hand side is undefined, so we call that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we will be called that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. This is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further you see here, we cannot get any other value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is square root of x squared divided by x is equals to 4. This is our given question statement, and here in the second method, uh, our second method be the straightforward or quick method. So here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So for this, you see that these 2 and square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here x divided by x is equals to 4. So this x and this x are gone, and we get 1 is equals to 4. So if 1 equals to 4, this concludes about that 1 is not equals to 4 in general, because these two are different values. These two are not equal in general. This means that in the second method we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution, because here the value of x is not exist. So this question has no solution. This is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.